Welcome back, guys. This is part two of the OneNote lesson planner series. What we're going to be doing today is, last time when I did the part one, what we did is I wanted to show you what you need to do to log online to your Office 365 email, and then click on App Launcher, and then find OneNote, launch it, and be able to see the lesson planner. After you did that, you pin it to the taskbar, and right now what I'm going to show you is the next step, which is what do you do after you pin it to the taskbar. So if you look down here, guys, at my desktop, you actually get to see OneNote. Now I already have it open. So what I'm going to do is basically is once you pin it to the taskbar, you do not need to do anything. Maybe once in a while you need to sync it, but other than that, basically you just click on it. Okay, it's there on the taskbar. Click on it. It opens up. Now what I'm going to do, let me move this. And then you get to see the different tabs. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of you guys as a guinea pig. And I'm going to use Miss Chavarria. And what you need to see is once you pin it on the taskbar, you do need to make sure that where it says notebooks, that it says here Kristen Middle School Notebook. Okay, that's very important where it says right here, notebooks, that it says Kristen Middle School. Now, what's going to happen is if you do not see the lesson planner, as you can see right here, what you do need to do is look for your name over here on the right part of the lesson planner. You click on your name, and then you're going to have like right here, like a drop down menu. There's going to be a drop down menu right here, and then you're going to click where it says second 9 weeks. Now, the reason they did this because they did it for the secondary. Since the high school has 9 weeks, that's what they did. So we'll get into that a little bit later. So let's look for Miss Chavarria. And she's right here. When I click on the second 9 weeks, and boom, you definitely get to see right here her lesson planner. Okay, so once you click on it, you can type in the grade level, whatever you want to write down to the grade level, your teacher name, the 6 weeks if you want to, and then you're gonna have the lesson plan right here. This is your whole lesson plan. You have the weeks. You have a drop down. You have a boxes where you can actually check off a check off box all the way down here. Now you are going to use whatever they ask you to use. This is just a generic template that the deans created for the district. It doesn't mean you're going to use every single thing. So talk to your administrator in charge of your grade level and find out exactly what you need to do. But this is very simple, guys. It's very easy to use. You come up here, you can change the date right here. Let's say, for example, you want to start typing it. Let's say you want to put 2017. You want to change this to, let's say, for example, January. You can do that. You can start typing. Let me put it back the way she had it. I don't want to get in trouble. But you're able to type, and you don't need to save anything because it saves by itself. It actually will sync up with the OneDrive, which is like the cloud. So you do not need to be worrying about saving. You do not need to be worrying about emailing anything to anybody as an attachment. You just start typing. Now, when I told you over here, if you look up here, guys, where you have the different tabs, like it says second 9 weeks, you just click on the tab and you can change it. You go in there, you type into it, and you can change it to the 6 weeks if you want to. You want to put, like, for example, if I'm not mistaken, we already started the 4-6 weeks. You could put in 4-6 weeks. That's up to you. They're made for you to modify them as needed. Okay. Another thing is, for example, right here, click on the fourth 9 weeks. There's only one lesson plan here. Okay. What you can do is you right click, you're going to copy. Okay, you see what I did? I clicked on it, right click, copy. On an empty area where there's nothing there, right click again and paste. And you paste another week. So you have this week, now you have this week. So you just come here, modify the date, and that's actually going to change there. Okay, I'm going to put test. As you can see, now the name is test up here, and it changed over here too. It changed here, and it changed there. Okay, so it's very easy. You want another one? Right click, copy, and then paste. So you can start adding weeks to this tab. You can change them and modify them to which way you want. And like I told you in the previous part 1, I will talk to administration and find out if this is what they want to do. But what I'm doing is my part, which is the district asked me to do the training, which I'm doing through this video tutorial, and it's up to them to decide if they want to proceed this way. That's up to them. Like I said, I personally think it's a good tool. I think it's an easier way to be able to do things, and it will allow you to collaborate. Now, how can you collaborate with people? Well, the way you collaborate with people is by going up here where it says File. You can share, invite people, or yeah, right here. And then what you need to do is, well, right now it's they encountered a problem, but usually right here where it says Share with people, you invite people, you can actually send this to other people. Okay. Now they also have right here where I'm looking for collaboration space. Let me see. Okay, well, what I'm going to do is I'll give you guys more information in the collaboration space, because what the district is doing is they're trying to find a way where you guys can be able to just click on a tab and be able to collaborate with each other. Because so right now, I know for a fact the only way that you can collaborate, and like I said, I will be able to find out why this isn't working, which is through share. Okay, now you could also export it, and probably be the easiest way right now, since they have like I said, the share one. There's an issue with I guess with OneNote. It would be to export it, which is you can send it off as a Word document, or you can send it off as also as a OneNote. Just send it as a OneNote, export it, or you can like I said, as a Word document. So you can do either OneNote or Word, which will probably be the best way to do it. You export it and then put it on your desktop, save it, and then you're gonna send it to that person. Okay. But like I said, sharing I want to find out why that's not working. Once I do, I will let you know about the sharing aspect of it, so you can be able to share with your colleagues. Okay. That was part 2. What did we learn today? Where you're gonna open it up, you go to the taskbar on the desktop, you launch OneNote, you just click on the like I said, make sure that it says here Christian Middle School on the notebook section. And then you look for your name if you have to right here. If this does not come out, you look for your name, click on your name, click on there should be like a drop down menu right here. You click on that, click on the second 6 weeks, and then you get to see all these weeks right here. You have the third 6 weeks and you have the fourth 6 weeks. Like I said, you go in here, can come in here, right click, and start adding weeks to it. Just very easy to change, start typing, and should make it easier for you. And like I said, if you have any questions, email me at fjsalazar@laredoic.org, or my extension is 6421. Thank you.